The Wagatha Christie case is set to return to court again for another dramatic showdown between Coleen Rooney and Rebekah Vardy. Fans were hooked when Coleen revealed she had turned detective to find out who culprit was, who had been leaking stories from her private Instagram account to the press. In a sting operation, she planted a series of fake stories on her social media, including her traveling to Mexico for a gender selection baby and the basement flooding at her home. She then sensationally posted from all her social media accounts in October 2019, "I have saved and screenshotted all the original stories which clearly show just one person has viewed them. It's Rebekah Vardy's account." The now infamous post is what led to the fallout between the two wags, being dubbed Wagatha Christie. Though Coleen says she never intended things to go so far, Rebekah denied Coleen's accusations and launched libel proceedings against her, costing millions of pounds. But in 2022, the court ultimately found in Coleen's favour after a hearing packed with twists and turns. One major moment came when Rebekah sensationally backtracked, admitting that her PR agent Caroline Watt could have leaked the stories to the Sun newspaper. Caroline had been due to give evidence in support of Rebekah, but she withdrew it before the trial, with the court told this was due to health concerns. One of the most memorable moments of the case was when it was claimed Caroline's phone fell into the North Sea while she was filming the Scottish coastline in August 2021, so any texts allegedly discussing Coleen disappeared with it. Ruling in mum of 4 Coleen's favour and finding it likely it was Caroline who had passed information to the Sun, Mrs. Justice Stein called the timing of the phone mishap striking and added, "The likelihood that the loss Ms. Watt describes was accidental is slim. In my judgment, it is likely that Ms. Vardy deliberately deleted her WhatsApp chat with Ms. Watt, and that Ms. Watt deliberately dropped her phone in the sea." The judge also ruled that Rebekah, who is married to England and Leicester City striker Jamie Vardy, should pay 90% of Coleen's legal costs, which at the time was put at more than £2 million, with £800,000 to be paid by November 2022. However, it's now been revealed that this isn't the final costs bill, so the case is set to return to the High Court in London for another hearing on May 28. This will be held before a specialist costs judge, who will decide the final figure 42-year-old Rebekah owes. The specialist judge will assess the costs and expenses during the civil case and rule how much Coleen can recover. They also have the power to reduce the costs if needed or if they are deemed to be unreasonable. The hearing is set to be heard before Senior Costs Judge Andrew Gordon-Saker at 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday after the bank holiday weekend. Follow Mirror Celebs on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.